Alright guys, so I am on my way to a job site here where I was told, hey, can you supervise a job overnight? And I said, sure, not a problem. And I have no idea what this job is. All I know is that there's already 2 techs on it, and I'm gonna be the supervising technician. Oh, that was funny. Dallas police right there. So anyways, we're heading into this this store right here, and I believe we are changing out a door frame for a multiple door, multiple doors. So we're about to see what's going on, and I don't even see my other guys here, so shit, I hope I'm at the right one. So let me start looking for these guys. Get back to you. That's the bad boy for tonight. There's the crew for tonight. Fucking Johnny and what's your name, bud? Jordan. Johnny and Jordan. Let's go, homie. I'm not being rude.
You said this, I saw you, you changed your name.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I like your shit, man.
That's good. So there she is. Not you, the door frame.
Damn. I know we're friends, but we're not that close. Yeah.
And somebody hit it with a. Damn. Nice.
Let's get this one off.
Couldn't find the breaker panel. Had to do the electrical live. It's not fun, but there's only one hot wire right here, 120 volts. So now we're just trying to get this damn clip out. Somebody decided to put it right behind the framing. Watch out, buddy. So we're coming along. Alright, laying a bead of silicone. I wonder if we're gonna have enough.
I got one more tube.
I think I got a couple in the truck.
I got some right
So
here.
we got it all out. Shut up, Johnny.
Yeah. I just have to beat it for a pit. You hear me?
What happened?
I said I have some too, but I just have to beat it. Hey, what's
Got
your
the
little
new one
pocket
in already.
screwdriver?
Inside my bag. Oh, we just gotta get a couple screws in there. That's why they break everything.
Bottom? No, I said that looks like shit on the bottom right there. Oh, right here? Oh.
Man, look at you, man.
It's not hard. You gotta pop that rubber on the top.
Pop that rubber.
I don't wear rubbers. I don't wear rubbers.
You should, man. Look at you. Shouldn't breathe. All right, guys. Got the lights back on. You just got 2 circuits here. You got your light circuit right here, hot and neutral. And then you got your heater circuit, neutral here, hot here. And this is just wire nutted off because we're not using the controller and your ground. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of tape across all these wire nuts and button this up, and then we'll see what else we gotta do outside. Got the other 2 guys doing the doors, and they got up here doing the electrical. So pretty simple, man. We've been up here, I'll give you a minute, but we've probably been up here for about 3 hours now, so we've got this changed out pretty good, so looking good.